One animal gives milk every single day. The other multiplies money very fast. Confused between buffalo farming and pig farming? Watch till the end. This decision can change your farming future. Let's start with investment cost. Buffalo farming needs high initial investment. A good buffalo costs between 40,000 rupees to 1 lakh rupees, depending on breed and milk yield. Pig farming is much more affordable. One pig costs only 5,000 to 15,000 rupees, making it ideal for small and beginner farmers. Now, let's talk about space requirement. Buffaloes need large sheds and water facilities for wallowing. Pigs need very little space and can be raised easily in small pens. Coming to feeding cost. Buffaloes consume a lot of green fodder and water, which increases daily expenses. Pigs are omnivores. They can eat kitchen waste, grains, and low-cost feed, reducing overall feeding cost. Maintenance and labor also matter. Buffaloes need regular bathing, cleaning, and care. Pigs require less labor and simpler management, especially good for beginners. Now, the biggest advantage of pig farming: reproduction. Pigs give birth to 10 to 12 piglets in just 6 months. Buffaloes produce only one calf in about 1.5 years. Let's look at market demand. Buffalo milk has strong demand in dairy and sweet industries. Pig meat is highly profitable in regions where pork consumption is high. So, which is more profitable? If you want low investment and faster returns, pig farming is the better choice. If you want stable, long-term income from milk, buffalo farming is more suitable. Choose wisely based on your budget, land, and local market. If this video helped you, like, share, and subscribe to Discover Agriculture. See you in the next informative video.